friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspire Planner, and today I'm going to set up my gratitude journal from May 13th through May 19th. Welcome back, everybody. It is time to set up my gratitude journal for the week of May 13th through May 19th. I am going to do a 2-page spread, and I'm going to be using some of the bits and pieces from the By the Seashore Create, Organize, and Plan collection from Tula 12. I'm going to go ahead and put you on fast forward while I complete this process, and I will be back as soon as I'm finished. All right, friends, there we go. This is gratitude for May 13th through 19th of 2024. I hope that this inspired you today to update your journal or start a new one. If you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you do so. And if you know somebody who would like to see this, please go ahead and share it out. Have a great week, everybody.